What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. If you have real fires, you have to worry about chimneys catching on fire, and one way to prevent it is with this. With real fires, soot kind of builds up on the inside of that chimney, can be kind of oily and can light on fire and actually cause houses to burn down, and they call that creosote. So what you want is to avoid that creosote buildup. And one way to do that is to be pretty regular and consistent about cleaning your chimney. But after you've cleaned it, you want to make sure that that chimney doesn't allow the creosote to build up. And so stuff like this, these are creosote control fire bricks, can really help prevent creosote from building up and actually cut down on the amount of times that you actually need to clean your chimney too. It's probably just safer as well. So this little box of creosote fire bricks is pretty nice because it's one of the easy ways of treating your chimney on a regular basis. Now, I want to show you, this little box comes with 4 fire bricks, and this is what they look like. They are like this compacted wood fiber material, and they do fall apart a little bit, but for the most part, it's all put together here. They're kind of like a small brick, and what you want to do, at least by the instructions here, is run your fire after cleaning the chimney a couple times. That'll heat up your chimney, and then you want to throw this on kind of when you have hot coals and let them kind of slow burn there to release the chemicals from this to treat that chimney. Now, if you do that on a regular basis, hopefully you won't have creosote building up. You'll stay much safer, clean less frequently, and it's really convenient. About once every 30 fires is what they recommend on the box below. If you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter from Panda. Out!